Yeah, I ordered a new refrigerator. Um, Mine broke down, I don't know, like probably, I'd say 5 years ago. And I was using a little, like a college dorm freezer in this area. I had it up like on a table and it was fine. But I got sick of it, so I ordered a new refrigerator. And so I'm going to paint all of this and get it ready for my new refrigerator, which will be delivered in like 3 or 4 weeks. So this is the paint color I picked out, Island Blue. It only took me about 36 hours of staring at the wall and trying to figure it out. So I just got this brand new oven a few months ago. It's a Whirlpool gas range. And so my refrigerator will also be a black Whirlpool refrigerator. Okay, I have the first coat on, kind of in a hard area, but it goes it starts up there, and goes along the top of the cupboard, and as far as I can get, that I can reach from there. And then after I get my new refrigerator in here, then I'll take everything out of my old little refrigerator, and then I'll move all that stuff out of there, and then I'll be able to get around those cupboards over there to paint the rest of that up there. But yep, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna do the second coat, and then I've got some more taping to do, like along the cupboard here, and then on the other side, this is a closet, like around the door. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. I'm waiting to see what it looks like when it dries, but it's pretty much the color I was kind of thinking, so yeah. Well, my new refrigerator showed up. Has a nice big freezer in it. Yeah, it worked just fine. So now I have to finish painting up here where I left off, down here and down that whole wall. Tonight after work, I'm going to take everything out of that little refrigerator I was using, put into the new one. I'm going to give that to someone. And then I get all that microwave card out of there and start painting that wall there. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to paint again. I have to tape and plastic. I got everything out of that corner there, so I have that wall left to do and a little bit up there where I left off. Yeah, I have that corner all cleaned out. I put my microwave card over here. for the time being. When I get done, then it will go back over there. Alright, so I have this wall all plastic and taped off and all ready to paint it. Right, so I have all of the edging on it all the way back in there. So I'm going to put the second coat on because that's just about dry. And then I'm going to roll it, 2 coats with the roller. And I'll just show it to you when I'm all done. I wasn't going to show you till I was completely done, but I have 1 coat on there right now. I just want to show you. I like how the morning sun is kind of on that wall. I really like the color. Okay, the second coat is on. So now it's completely done. We just have to wait for it to dry and then put everything back together. Alright, the whole wall is done and everything's put back the way it's supposed to be. Alright, well, thank you for watching.